pizza. Oh, sorry, focus. So, I think today we're looking at angles. Great, you're cutting that pizza at a right angle. That means the angle is 90 degrees. Nice big piece for square. So what next? You're cutting that one at an obtuse angle. That means the angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. Not bad, eh? Lastly, you're going for an acute angle. That's one that's less than 90 degrees. Bad luck. So, each time you cut these, you are left with a reflex angle on each pizza. This is any angle that's greater than 180 degrees. And I wonder who got those ones. Might have guessed, really.